Hey everybody, it's Laura. I'm back with a budget, Plan With Me on a Budget. There we go, that's the title. And I am in my Recollections planner, and we're using a kit from Jump To It Designs Inc. You guys, these people are so sweet that own this company. I think it's a mom and a daughter, if I remember correctly, but they are super, super sweet. And this kit is still in the shop, but this kit is from 2 years ago. The one in the shop is from last year, and they kind of did like a bring back the kit, but in the old format. They didn't update them all, so they're on a discount. So this kit is like $14 in her shop or something, and I think they have both matte and glossy paper. And one of my absolute favorite Christmas spreads from last year is from their shop. I'll try to link that video up here. But it looks like it's like a scene kit, and it looks like a sidewalk with like little shops and snow, and oh my gosh, it is the cutest thing. I'm thinking about buying it again for next year. So it's just super, super, super cute. But this kit is called Moose and Friends, and it has a lot of like this brown plaid pattern, and then the like birch wood, which is so pretty. The quote box says, "Wintertime, let it snow, hot cocoa, snowflakes, mittens, burr, and sledding." It's adorable. You have moose, deer, a little raccoon, a squirrel, or a chipmunk and a squirrel and a fox. These are like two flags and then like a little hexagon in between, but they look so cute like this. Like I might actually put them in the planner like that because it's so funny. And this is deco over here as well. The fox is deco, and then you have the checklist and the little appointment labels. The bottom washi. So the bottom washi for the kit that's in the shop now is like birchwood with like little pine branches. Mine is the plaid, which I really like. And then these are washi strips, and that's a piece of deco. And then you have well, I don't know. These are all different sizes. This is like a true half box, I think. This is a little smaller. That's a little bigger. Deco, and then date covers. And then you have headers and little things and a little planner. And then this page is slightly different too. I can't remember if any of the other ones are, but I know this is like that plaid pattern instead of the green. And I can't remember what else has changed, but there's habit trackers, like the weekly and like the little ones. Like icons, deco, or icons and date numbers and that kind of thing. And then there's 2 different weekend banners. I really like this bottom one. And that is everything in the kit. You can buy like glitter header add-ons and stuff now, but I don't think she had that, or they had that in the shop when I ordered a bunch of stuff from them like the first time, which like I said was years ago. I've ordered with them since then. I would always like hoard this kit and then be like, I'm gonna use it this winter, and then I'd like run out of time to use it. Because I'd be like, no, I want it to be a winter kit. And then I'd be like, no, I want it to be a Christmas kit. And I don't know, you guys. Planner struggles, right? Planner girl problems. So we're finally using it. And I'm super, super excited because, like I said, I really like this shop. They're super sweet, and they make nice stuff, and it's unique. Their stuff is actually unique. Their kits are unique. Their artwork is unique, and it makes me happy that you see something different in the planner world. Okay, so these all look very similar with the kind of like dark outline and the filled in inside, but I still think I'm going to use all of it because it's so cute. But maybe I'll mix up like the animals and stuff so that I don't have like 2 of the exact same thing on any given day. I'm also going to fast forward through a lot of this because I don't really have a lot to talk about. I'm actually really tired right now and a little bit stressed out. So I kind of just want to do this as like relaxation. I just filmed another plan with me that I did talk through. I'll link it above if I remember. And yeah, oops. And now I'm very tired. So I'll come back and talk when I'm actually talking about my plans. But, oops, that's really blurry. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I'll come back. Don't you worry. I'll be back. You guys, that was almost such a disaster with the date covers. And yes, I realized afterwards that I picked up the 15 and didn't need to. I just had to switch Friday and Sunday. But that was goofy. I was like, oh my gosh, did I do the other ones correct? But I'm pretty sure I did. Ugh, no fun, no fun. Okay, so there is like the basis of my spread. I'm loving it so far. It is super cute. I'm going to add in some Pilates now, I think. And I think I'm going to use the appointment labels. So I have one on Thursday, Saturday, and then over on Monday. Ooh, weekend banner. I really want to put this in before I forget about it. And I don't know where to put it because the bottom washi is also plaid. Is that going to be crazy? Maybe I can stick it over the checklist. Like just over that bottom one. That's not bad. Okay, we'll put it there. Super, super cute. I guess there's a moose there and there and here, but whatever. Didn't really think about that ahead of time. Okay, so, oh, there's like workout little things. Maybe I'll use those. Those are cute. Okay, because I'm going to have to use some little things anyways. So I'll put this one on Saturday. I'll put the green one here. And then we'll put this one on Monday. So I think I'll do this checklist as my videos, and I think I'll use the dinner little things. This actually kind of has a pattern though, so we're going to try to honor that. I think I'll do brown here. I don't know how to make this work. Green here. So green, brown, plaid. And then we have like a light color and then green, brown, and plaid. Sure. I'm not super concerned about it. It's not a color blocked spread, so that's okay. And then I have a bill, and I don't think I have bills, like a bill due, so I'm going to take this little car because it is a car bill, like my insurance bill. I could take the money sign, but I think I'll take the car, and that is for Saturday. Oops. Oh, man. That was real crooked. Try again. Okay, that's better. It's my friend's birthday on Monday, so we definitely need something there. There's boxes. And I also need to mark the last day of a certain type of class at work. So I think I'll take a flag for that. Maybe the birch one. And then birthday will be in another box. Like, will that even fit? We need something smaller. Okay, maybe I'll do that for birthday, and then I'll do an appointment label for the work thing. Because I'm like, oh gosh, where am I going to put this? Okay. I zoom you in, I zoom you out. I'm sorry. Tuesday, I don't know anything. Wednesday, Tuesday I need to mail a card to my grandma, but I think I'll put that in the checklist. And let's see if there's an icon for mail. There's like a package. I guess that'll work. I'll put that there. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't know anything else besides videos, which are on the sidebar. Thursday is Pilates. Friday is filming, and there's a little planner. I would normally put it right here though, but he's kind of like already there. Can I line him up like to fit? I think his face is too big. I feel like that'd be really weird. Okay. Maybe I'll put him this way. And then I'll write film in here, or put a film sticker or whatever. Okay. Also read on, I don't know what I did with my reading stickers now. Shoot. These are Misfit bundle stickers from Rose Colored Days, so they're not foiled, which is fine. And I'm just going to put in like what book I'm on, so I think I'll take the plaid. I got cut off, but I think I was just putting down this box for reading, and I think that's all I really know. I thought my boyfriend was leaving Sunday to go get his puppy, but I feel like I mentioned it in my Monday video, or my Sunday video too. I don't know that that's the right day, because it seems weird that he would be going on a Sunday, but maybe, I don't know. I'm going to double check with him before I put it down, and I do have deco and all that kind of stuff, but I like to leave it kind of plain until I know, like how much stuff I need to actually put in here functionally. I'm zoomed in, aren't I? There we go. I was like, why can't I fit this in frame? But there is my spread for the week. Again, this is Jump to It Designs Inc. They will be listed down below, of course, and you can get this kit for $14. They have sales quite a bit, and you can win kits from them quite a bit too. They have a lot of contests like on their Instagram and stuff, so it's really fun. I think this is super, really cute. The green is really fun. I love the plaid. Oh, should I have like put this one upside down? so that like both of this section would be like towards the top, but then this has the darker bottom and this doesn't. Like if this one was upside down. I don't know, I think it's just the way it's cut. Okay, I think we'll be okay. I usually have my planner folded anyways, so this is adorable. Let me know which one is your favorite animal. The moose is mine. I really, really like moose. I think they're really cool. I love the little like snowy antlers on the deer too. They look like they're covered in snow. I don't know if they're meant to, but it's cute. I have to say I don't love the font that they use. It's very like blocky and bold, but I don't hate it. I just typically would pick up their glitter headers because it's not my favorite. So like I don't mind it in the sidebar and stuff so much. And like this box is really cute with all these different fonts. I like the sledding font a lot, but like the headers are like, whoa, bold. So that's not my favorite. Like the weekend banner, I really like that. I think that's cute too, but you know, if you don't like it, pick up the glitter headers and then you're good to go, or use your own glitter headers or whatever. But that is everything for the week. Definitely check out the shop if you guys are looking for some fairly affordable kits. They have tons and tons of stuff. I've done a monthly kit with them before too, so I will try to link that. It will be from summer, but that was a really great kit as well. Their premium mat is amazing. And this glossy was really nice too. I don't know if I've used their glossy before. I can't remember. But yes, I'm going to stop babbling now. Have a wonderful day. If you like videos like this, hit your subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you would like to. I'd appreciate it. And hello to all of my new subscribers. I love having you guys here. Definitely comment down below. I love to interact with you guys, and I hope you guys feel comfortable interacting with me. So I will catch you in the next Christmas video, and then it'll be closer and closer. You know, it's just weeks away, you guys. Weeks away. That's Christmas. Right there. I will have pre-film videos later this month, but we'll live, and then we'll come back and do some rewinds probably. Okay, I'm really gonna stop talking now. Have a wonderful day. Bye.